Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Aura English Conversation Podcast.
Hi, everyone.
We're very happy you are here with us today. My name is Amy.
And I'm Sam.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Aura.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. We are very happy to have you here today.
Today, we are going to talk about something very special.
Yes, today's topic is the Ramadan morning routine for beginners.
If this is your first Ramadan, or if you want to improve your routine, this conversation will help you.
And remember, we will speak slowly and clearly so you can learn English and understand easily.
So, Amy, where should we start?
Let's start with the most important part of Ramadan mornings, waking up for Suhoor.
Suhoor is the meal we eat before the fast begins.
Yes, it happens very early in the morning before the Fajr prayer.
Many beginners find it difficult to wake up so early.
That is true, but there is a simple solution.
What is it?
Sleep a little earlier at night.
Sleep a little earlier at night.
Yes, if you sleep earlier, waking up becomes easier.
Repeat after me. I wake up early for Suhoor.
I wake up early for Suhoor.
Suhoor gives my body energy.
Suhoor gives my body energy.
My day starts with discipline.
My day starts with discipline.
Healthy Suhoor food. Sam, what kind of food should we eat at Suhoor?
Good question. The food should be healthy and balanced.
Not too heavy.
And not too oily.
For example, eggs,
Oats,
yogurt,
whole wheat bread,
fruits.
and of course, water.
Yes, drink water slowly.
Many people drink too much water very fast.
But that is not good for the body.
Repeat after me. I eat healthy food at Suhoor.
I eat healthy food at Suhoor.
I drink water slowly.
I drink water slowly.
My body is ready for fasting.
My body is ready for fasting. Fajr prayer.
After Suhoor, it is time for the Fajr prayer,
The first prayer of the day.
and one of the most peaceful moments of Ramadan.
When the world is quiet.
And your heart feels calm.
Repeat after me. I pray Fajr on time.
I pray Fajr on time.
My morning begins with prayer.
My morning begins with prayer.
My heart feels peaceful.
My heart feels peaceful.
Morning Quran time.
After Fajr, many people read the Quran.
Yes, even a few verses can make a big difference.
Some people try to read a whole chapter,
But beginners can start small.
maybe one page every morning.
Consistency is more important than quantity.
Repeat after me. I read the Quran every morning.
I read the Quran every morning.
The Quran brings peace to my heart.
The Quran brings peace to my heart.
Every day I improve a little.
Every day I improve a little. Planning the day.
After Fajr and Quran time, it is good to plan your day.
Yes, planning helps you stay organized during fasting.
Write down your tasks,
For example, work tasks,
school assignments,
prayer times,
and maybe a short rest.
because fasting requires balance.
Repeat after me. I plan my day carefully.
I plan my day carefully.
I balance work and worship.
I balance work and worship.
Small steps bring big success.
Small steps bring big success. Staying positive while fasting.
Sam, beginners sometimes feel tired during the first days of Ramadan.
Yes, that is completely normal.
The body needs time to adjust.
So, what should we do?
Stay positive and patient.
Take small breaks during work.
Take small breaks during work.
Walk for a few minutes.
Walk for a few minutes.
And remember why you are fasting.
Repeat after me. Fasting makes me patient.
Fasting makes me patient.
Ramadan makes me stronger.
Ramadan makes me stronger.
Every day I become a better person.
Every day I become a better person. Remembering Allah during the day.
Yes, through simple zikr.
Like saying Subhanallah,
Alhamdulillah.
Allahu Akbar.
Even quietly in your heart.
Repeat after me. I remember Allah during my day.
I remember Allah during my day.
Zikr brings peace to my heart.
Zikr brings peace to my heart.
My day is full of blessings.
My day is full of blessings.
Closing message.
Ramadan is not only about fasting.
It is about improving ourselves,
improving our habits,
improving our hearts.
and strengthening our connection with Allah.
Even small efforts matter.
Because Allah sees every sincere action.
Repeat after us. I try my best in Ramadan.
I try my best in Ramadan.
Allah sees my effort.
Allah sees my effort.
Every day I become a better person.
Every day I become a better person.
Thank you for listening to Talk Aura.
We hope this conversation helped you practice English and learn about Ramadan.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Keep learning and keep improving.
Ramadan Mubarak.
May Allah accept from all of us.
Bye.
Bye.